Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're going to be making something kind of fun and something that will pamper us. So we hear about all kinds of things, all kinds of cleaners and personal care products that you can buy at the store, and if you look really closely at the label, many times there are, number one, kind of chemicals in there and things in there that you can't even pronounce. Now I figure if you can't pronounce them, they're probably not good for you. Maybe not. But this is something so simple that you can make in your house. You don't have to go to the store and buy one of these. The last time I bought one of these, which has been a while ago, I think I paid $20. Now, I'm trying to think of what they're called, but they're pillows for your shoulders or for your neck when you've got a really sore neck, and you put it in the microwave and you put it on your shoulders, and oh, it just like relaxes you. So that's what we're going to make today. I call it a soothing pillow. You can give it any name you want. It's really, really, really simple, and that's why I love this so much. So basically what we need rice. So I just bought a big bag of rice because we've been making these with some school kids this week. So we have a big bag of rice, and I'm just going to pour rice into the container. And I might have to put more, so I'm going to hang on to that. And then something as simple as, and I like to use lavender buds, but you can use any kind of aromatic flowers that you want. I just love lavender, especially when I've got a sore neck and I need to put it in the microwave and make it smell good. So basically you're just adding the lavender buds to the rice. And this is uncooked rice, of course. You don't want to cook it because then it gets kind of mushy and you'd make that for supper. But this is for your neck.
Where did you get the lavender buds?
So the lavender buds you could buy online. I actually got these locally from Bonnie Juma, and those are available. She has them in nice, cute little bags, but you can get them online, health food store, or the food co-op. Definitely, there's more than one place. You don't have to use lavender either. There's all kinds. You could use tea, a great aromatic tea that you love, anything that's going to relax you or calm you. So, and then if you want to add a little bit more smell, I think it's really pretty. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's just pretty, except you're not going to see it once it's in the sock. But I like to add a little bit of lavender to it too, just so you know it's going to smell really good. So I put 3 or 4 or 5 drops in it. Now here comes the test of coordination. So, different kinds of funnels. This is just an oil funnel. I love it. And a sock, a tube sock. I just went to the store. You can get prettier socks than this if you want. You don't have to. I think these are kind of cool. Just they look kind of like you know, if you needed a sock, you could wear it too. And so basically, it's just filling the sock. And so all I'm doing is pouring the rice into the funnel. And it's going down pretty slowly though. It's coming down. But I think the next time I'm just going to pour it in with the pitcher. So here, let's do that. This is like, whoops. I like to make a mess when I make things. That's how I cook too. Just to then I know I've been working hard. So I'm going to do it this way. I need one more hand is what I need. I think it's going down. And so you get the drift anyway. You pour it down here. Oh, it's going, yay! So you get the drift. And then when you get it full, to how full you want it, I like it pretty full, then you're going to tie it off just like that. It's that simple. And then you pop it in the microwave for a minute to a minute and a half, just depending on how hot you like it. I usually like them about a minute to a minute and a half. And then if you like it really full, you can get it fuller, and then you put it around. I can even smell this. That smells good. And put it around your neck. It's that simple. And for pennies, you're making something at your house. So enjoy.